Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the exciting world of e-commerce with Shopify. Now, if you've ever dreamed of opening your own Shopify store online, then you're in the right place. Because Shopify stands out as a remarkably powerful yet user-friendly platform for building an e-commerce store. It's designed to offer all the essential tools and features you need to get your online store up and running in no time. And in this step-by-step guide, we're focusing specifically on creating a Shopify store. Whether you're a seasoned business owner looking to expand online, or you're starting from scratch, this video will walk you through the entire process. This tutorial is perfect for anyone aiming to set up a professional and stylish Shopify store. We'll cover everything from signing up on Shopify to choosing themes, customizing your product pages, and much more. So follow along as we demonstrate each stage with practical examples and clear instructions. And by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to build and customize your very own Shopify store. So if you're ready to embark on this e-commerce journey, grab a coffee and let's get started. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Now that we're ready to start, let's begin by setting up our Shopify account. First, open your web browser and go to the Shopify website at www.shopify.com. This is where our journey begins. Once you're on the site, look for the Start Free Trial button. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click it to proceed. Shopify will ask you a couple of quick questions to better understand your needs. These include describing your current business status and where you plan to sell. But don't worry if you're just starting out. There's no wrong answer here. Simply choose the option that best fits your situation. Next, you'll be prompted to select your country. After that, it's time to create your Shopify account. Now, for this tutorial, we'll use the sign up with email option. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Click on Create Shopify Account. And remember, this account will be the central hub for your Shopify store. So make sure your credentials are secure and memorable. And that's it for signing up. You've successfully started your journey with Shopify. In the next part of our tutorial, we'll dive into choosing and customizing the perfect theme for your clothing store. With your Shopify account now set up, it's time to make your store visually appealing. Let's dive into selecting and customizing a theme. In your Shopify dashboard, find and click on Online Store, then select Themes. Here, you'll find a variety of themes tailored for different types of stores. For our Shopify store, we'll use the Mavon theme. Click on Visit Theme Store and in the search bar, type Mavon. When the theme appears, click on Try Theme to preview it. If you like what you see, go ahead and click Install. This will add the Mavon theme to your theme library. And after installation, select Customized to start personalizing your store's look. To incorporate the demo or preset data, you can easily download it from the official website. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided on their documentation page. In this tutorial, I'll give you an overview of how exactly to do this. Now that we have our theme, let's make it truly ours. To upload your store's logo, navigate to Theme, Customize, Header. Here, you can upload your logo image. Remember, your logo is often the first thing customers will associate with your brand, so make it stand out. Next, let's set up the navigation menu. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Navigation. This is where your Shopify main menu of your store, leading customers to various products and collections. Great, your Shopify store is shaping up nicely. Let's now focus on the slideshow, a key feature on your homepage that captures the attention of your visitors. In your Shopify admin, navigate to the slideshow section. This is where you'll make your store more engaging with eye-catching images and content. First, we'll update the slideshow images. Click on Image Slide, then select Desktop Image to upload an image for larger screens. Repeat the process for mobile image to ensure that your slideshow looks great on all devices. Next, let's modify the slide heading. This is where you can add captivating titles to each slide, drawing in your audience and highlighting key aspects of your collection. There are more functionalities to explore, like adding a subheading, configuring the button label, link, type, and size. You can also adjust the content position and align for a polished look. You have 4 options for adjusting the slider height. Adapt to first image, small, medium and large. Choose the one that best fits your design aesthetic. These modifications are not just about aesthetics, they're about creating a compelling visual story for your brand. With your slideshow now set up, your store's homepage will be more dynamic and engaging. Having set up a dynamic slideshow, it's now time to highlight your merchandise with a featured collection. This is where you'll showcase your key products or new arrivals. First, let's gather the products for our featured collection. In your Shopify admin, click on Add Product to create new products or add existing ones. If you have a list of products already prepared, like a CSV file, you can import it by clicking the import button. This might take a moment to complete. Once your products are added, navigate to Collections in the settings. Here, click on the Create Collection button. You'll need to provide details like the collection type, name, description, and image. For our purpose, choose Manual between automated and manual collection types. After saving your collection settings, it's time to select the products. Click on Browse and choose the items you wish to feature in this collection. Remember to save your selections. Now, return to the Featured Collection section in your store's layout. Here, click on the Change button and select the collection you just created. This action populates the featured collection section with your chosen products. Your featured collection is a vital part of your store's appeal, acting as a spotlight for your best or newest items. With your featured collection set up, visitors to your store will be greeted with a curated selection of products, enticing them to explore further. Next, we'll move on to enhancing other key areas of your Shopify store. With your featured collection now showcased in your top products, it's time to enhance other key areas of your Shopify store to create a comprehensive and engaging shopping experience. Shopify offers a multitude of selections to enrich your store's design and functionality. Let's take a look at some of these. You have options like feature product, collection list, rich text, image with text, and many more. A significant feature is the collection list section. This allows you to present several collections with different design variations. When you click on a collection block, you'll find various customization options for each. By default, the first product's image is used as the thumbnail, but you can change this if you wish. Additionally, you can add sections like collage, multi-column, video, banner list, and a before and after image slider for a dynamic look. Don't forget about gallery, scrolling text, shop the look slider, testimonials, text with icon, and timeline for even more customization. Each of these sections offers unique ways to present your products and tell your brand story. Experimenting with these will help you find the perfect balance for your store. After enriching your store with various features, it's important to connect with your audience through content. Adding a blog section to your Shopify store is an excellent way to do this. In your Shopify admin, click on Add Section on your homepage layout. From there, select the Blog Posts section and hit the Save button. Initially, this section will appear empty since we haven't created any blog posts yet. To create a blog, navigate to Blog Posts from the Shopify admin. Here, click on Create Blog Post. You'll be presented with an interface to create a new blog post. Fill in the necessary fields like the title, content, and featured image, and then click Save to publish your blog post. For this tutorial, let's create 3 blog posts following the same steps. This will give us enough content to populate our blog section. After creating the blog posts, return to the blog posts section on your homepage. You'll now see the blogs you've created automatically added to this section. This dynamic feature keeps your homepage updated with the latest content. Having a blog is not just about sharing content, it's about building a community around your brand, offering valuable insights, and improving SEO for your store. With the blog section now active, your store is not only a place to shop, but also a source of information and inspiration for your customers. Additionally, the featured product section lets you spotlight a specific product. Simply click on Select Product and choose the item that you want to highlight. This is a great way to draw attention to new arrivals or bestsellers. And don't forget about the logo list section, where you can showcase logos of various organizations such as business partners, sponsors, and clients. This adds a level of professionalism and trust to your store. Having added a captivating shop section, let's now turn our attention to the shop page, a critical component of your Shopify store where your products take center stage. In your Shopify admin, navigate to the shop page. Here you have the flexibility to add various sections that align with your brand and product offerings. These include options like collection banner, promo banner, and product grid. For the product grid, which is the heart of your shop page, you'll find several customization options on the right side of the admin panel. These settings allow you to tailor how your products are displayed, making them more appealing to customers. Remember, the shop page is where your customers make their purchasing decisions, so it's essential to ensure it's well organized, visually appealing, and represents your brand effectively. With your shop page now reviewed and customized to your liking, your store is almost ready to welcome customers. Up next, we'll cover the final steps before launching your Shopify store. Let's enhance the shopping experience with a well-organized product grid and useful filters. Our first step is to install the Shopify Search and Discovery app. This app is essential for adding filters to your product grid. Go to Navigation in your Shopify admin and find the app installation option. Once the app is installed, navigate to Apps, Search and Discovery, Filters, and here you can add various filter menus. The default options include availability and price, but you can also add filters like product type, tags, vendor, color, and size. So be sure to save your settings once you've added all your desired filters. After saving, refresh your shop page to see the new filter options on the sidebar. You can arrange these filters according to your preference, making it easy for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. We're also adding a couple of engaging sections to our store. In addition to the filters, we've included a feature collection section and an email sign-up area. These additions not only make your store more interactive, but also help in highlighting special products and growing your customer base. With your product grid and filters set up, your store is now more user-friendly and easier to navigate. After refining your shop page, it's crucial to focus on individual product details. This is where customers make their final decision to purchase. So let's ensure each product page is as informative and appealing as possible. In your Shopify admin, navigate to the product template section. Here, a variety of options will be available on the right side, allowing you to customize the layout and features of your product pages. One of the key areas to customize is the media section of your product page. You can choose to display the section either on the left or the right side of the page. There are 4 layout options for desktop viewing: stacked, 2-column, thumbnails, and thumbnails carousel. Experiment with these layouts options to find the best way to showcase your products. And remember, the way you present your product images can significantly impact a customer's perception and decision to buy. Your product details page should not only be visually appealing, but also provide all the necessary information in a clear and accessible manner. With your product pages now set up to highlight each item effectively, your store is well equipped to converting visitors into customers. In the next section, we'll cover additional features that can enhance the customer experience even further. An essential aspect of any online store is customer interaction and service. In this section, we'll set up the content template to ensure your customers can easily get in touch with you. In your Shopify admin, navigate to the contact template. Start by adding the contact form section. This is where you can present your contact information, such as your business email, phone number, and physical store address if you have one. Having a contact form is vital for customer trust and support inquiries. Next, include the Google Maps section. This feature is especially useful if you have a physical location you want to showcase. To display your location, you'll need the iframe code of the map. Insert this code to help customers find your store or office easily. And don't forget to add an email sign-up section within your contact template. This allows customers to subscribe to your newsletters, offering a great way to keep them informed about new products, promotions, and store updates. Remember, the contact template isn't just a utility, it's a bridge between you and your customers. Ensuring it's informative and user-friendly is key to building lasting customer relationships. With your content page now set up, your customers will have a clear and easy way to reach out to you. Next, we'll dive into the final store settings, ensuring everything is in place for a successful launch. Now, having established a solid foundation for your store with product and contact details, it's now crucial to configure the core store settings. These settings are fundamental to how your store operates. Let's start with the currency settings. To change the currency of your store, go to Settings, Store Details, and Store Currency. For this tutorial, we'll set it to US dollars, USD. Don't forget to click Save to apply the change. This step ensures that all your products are priced in the currency you intend to do business in. Next, navigate to User and Permissions. This area is crucial for managing who has access to your store's backend. Here you can control permissions for various staff members, ensuring everyone has the appropriate level of access to your Shopify admin. Under the Payments section, it's time to add your payment methods. This is where you set up how you accept payments from customers. It's important to offer a variety of payment options to cater to different customer preferences. Remember, these settings are the backbone of your store's operations. Taking the time to configure them correctly will save you a lot of hassle in the long run. With your store settings now fine-tuned, your Shopify store is almost ready to go live. In our final section, we'll review everything to ensure your store is set for success. We've covered a lot of ground in setting up your Shopify store. Now it's time for a final review before launching your store to the world. Let's start with a walkthrough of your store. Review each page, especially the home, shop, and contact pages, to ensure everything is in place. From the layout to the content. Check that your Slideshow feature collections, product details, and blog posts are all appearing as expected. Next, test the functionality of your store. This includes navigating through various pages, checking the product filters, and ensuring the checkout process is smooth and secure. It's crucial that everything works seamlessly for your customers. Revisit your store settings one last time. Confirm that your currency settings, payment methods, and user permissions are all correctly configured. This step is vital to ensure smooth operations and transactions. Finally, prepare for launch. Make sure you set up any necessary marketing or promotional materials. Consider creating a launch announcement on social media or via email to your subscribers. Launching a store is a big moment, and you've worked hard to get here. So take a moment to appreciate your efforts. With everything reviewed and in place, your Shopify store is now ready to welcome customers. Congratulations on reaching this exciting milestone. We wish you the best in your e-commerce journey, and don't forget to keep your store updated and engage with your customers regularly for continued success. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. And if you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And for more tips on running a successful Shopify store, stay tuned on our channel. Good luck and happy selling.